Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Percussion Discussion. Today we're going to be working on lesson number 2 and working on number 5 and number 6. So we were talking a little bit about odd meters in the last video, and I kind of want to elaborate on the 3/4. We can think of 3/4 in the form of a waltz, right? We can think 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and that way it makes a little bit more sense in our brain. We feel the big pulse on beat 1 when it comes down to time signatures of 3/4. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, as opposed to 4/4 we feel it on beat 2. 1 2 3 4, or on beat 4. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and then again on the 3/4 time signature, we feel that strong pulse on beat 1. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then we have another time signature that we actually do see quite often, and that's 5/4. An example of that time signature can be heard in Dave Brubeck's record and song called Take 5. I highly suggest you listen to that one. Very, very nice piece, and very, very groovy in a way. And that's a perfect example of the 5/4 time signature. We're only counting to 5 in 5/4. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. We could also use the word hippopotamus in substitute of counting 1 2 3 4 5. Hippopotamus, 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 right? And so again, we're going to be going over number 5 and number 6 in lesson number 2. Again, always use the metronome when we are working on warming up or when we're even practicing, okay? It helps you stay honest with your time so that you don't rush or drag. And you always want to have a drum pad and a pair of drumsticks, and make sure that our elbows are nice and relaxed on our side, our shoulders are nice and relaxed, right? Our back is straight and we're not slouching or anything like that. We actually have a pretty good posture. It helps with your back so that you don't injure your back, and it helps you be a little bit more focused and more engaged in what we're doing. So here is number 5 on lesson number 2 with our metronome. So we're thinking 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and I'm going to go ahead and play it for you. Here we go. 1 2, ready, go. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, and here is number 6 in 5/4 time. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. It's a little bit complicated to get the 5/4 in there, even though it's one number more than the 4/4, right? And the 3/4 is a little bit difficult to feel as well, even though it's one less than 4. But if we were to think of a waltz while we're thinking of the 3/4, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, it'll be a little bit more easier to understand. And if we're thinking of the word hippopotamus when we're thinking of the 5/4, hippopotamus, hippopotamus, that can also maybe help you understand the 5/4. And notice how the stickings are different at each measure. We either start with the left hand or we start with the right hand. Compared to the 4/4, we always start each measure with the right hand, because if you think about it, there's four beats, right? Right, left, and then we will start the next measure with the right, because you end up with the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. But if we're thinking in 3/4, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, they start and on a different hand at each measure, and the same goes for the 5/4. 1 2 3 4 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the sticking can be a little bit different on each measure. Again, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let us know and we'll get back to you guys as soon as we can. And try to feel the 3-4 as a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the 5-4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hippopotamus. Please give us a call or email us and we'll help you guys as best as we can. Thank you.